I've been seeing the General popping up a lot lately. We help people who can't get insurance elsewhere, that sort of thing. It sounds promising, especially if your driving history isn't perfect. But does the General actually deliver, or are there trade-offs lurking under those low premiums? Let's dig in. The General is an auto insurance provider that specializes in what's often called non-standard coverage. That means drivers who have accidents, tickets, gaps in coverage, or need an SR22 can often get insured here where others say no. Their big promise is accessibility and affordability for folks who get priced out by traditional insurers. Here's how it works. You go online, get a quote. They offer basic liability, collision, comprehensive covers, uninsured/underinsured motorist protection in many states, SR22 filings if you need them, and non-owner policies too. If you want extras, there are some options, but it's not as full suite as some big carriers. The policy purchase and management can mostly be handled online or through independent agents. Their app and web tools let you pay premiums, show proof of insurance, etc. Now, the pros. First, the obvious one. If you've struggled to get a quote because of your record, the General often will insure you. That's a big win. Second, some flexibility. Choice of payment date, SR22s, some other state-required coverages. Third, they're available in many, though not all states, so you have options. And for many, the quotes come in lower than what non-standard carriers might charge otherwise. But yes, there are cons. According to reviews and complaint data, the General has significantly more complaints than many standard insurers. That means delays or frustrations with claims processing, billing, or customer service seem to show up a lot. Also, if your driving history is clean, you might find better rates, smoother service, more perks with a standard insurer. Their coverage options tend to be more limited, fewer bells and whistles. Finally, because they serve high-risk drivers, premiums can still be relatively high, especially with full coverage compared to what you'd pay if you were in a lower risk bracket. So who's the General really for? If you're someone with tickets, a lapse of insurance, maybe an accident or two, or you need SR22, this is a solid option. If you just need minimum legal liability coverage, and you've been priced out elsewhere, the General might be one of your best paths forward. But if you have a clean record, strong credit, and want robust coverage plus perks, it might make sense to compare with more standard insurers. My verdict? The General does what it claims. It opens the door when many others shut it. It won't be perfect in claim speed or extras, but for many, that trade-off is worth it just to get insured. For drivers in non-ideal situations, it's a genuinely helpful option. So what about you? Would you pick the General if it was your only realistic way to get coverage, or hold out for more features and better service? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.